How to fix Instagram Explorer page not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check Instagram server status. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website down detector. Now search for Instagram. Check the server status of Instagram. If you find any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next thing you want to do is refresh the app. So launch your Instagram app, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, force close the app, wait for a few minutes. Repeat this step for a few times. Next up, update the Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, log out and log in back of your Instagram account. Navigate to settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down, click on the option logout, click on logout again, wait for a few minutes and then again log in back using your credentials. If none of these solutions work, report the problem to Instagram. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars, head over to the option Help, then select the option Report a problem. Select the option Report problem without shaking. Click on the option Don't Include and Continue, and here briefly explain about the issue that your Explore page is not working and send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and your problem will be resolved. So these are some fixes for Instagram Explore page not working. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.